Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with Bkash. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Bkash to make this purchase on Roblox, unfortunately there is no direct ways of doing this, so you can't directly pay with a Bkash. But we do have a workaround. So what you can do is you can use your Bkash to purchase a gift card, a Roblox gift card, which you can use to make your purchase for Roblox. So what we can do, simply go to this website here, so vertexbazaar.com. so just get into vertexbazaar.com, and then when you get to this site here, click on gift cards, and then here look for Roblox gift cards. So we're going to buy a Roblox gift card using our Bkash. So simply select Roblox and then choose whatever amount that you wish to purchase or top up with. Just choose any amount and then hit on buy now. And then now what you're going to do, you're going to ask for just plug in your billing details and then your payment details, and here just provide your Bkash details and then complete this transaction. So you'll be using your Bkash and then complete this transaction to buy this Roblox gift card. So once you have purchased this Roblox gift card, then it's pretty easy. You can simply go to Roblox site here, log into your account, and then hit on this buy Roblox option here. So simply select buy Roblox and then select the amount that you wish to purchase. So just select whatever your requirement is, select that, and then when you get to this payment page here, so what you can simply do, hit on this redeem Roblox card. So this is the gift card option that we're going to choose for payment. So since you have already purchased our gift card through Bkash, so you're going to select Roblox this card option, and then all you have to do now is just redeem, enter the pin of your gift card that you just purchased, enter that, hit on redeem, and then check this box here and then hit on submit order to complete this purchase. So that's how you can use your Bkash in order to purchase your Roblox, you just through the gift card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.